A generic standard response does not work for everyone. Sometimes you need to be flexible and try something new with your customers if you really want them to buy your product. And here's the secret. You can use Agentforce to come up with these responses. Well, let me tell you how you can generate dynamic responses on any topic automatically. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Today we are going to talk about the Flex template in Prompt Builder. If you've seen our previous video, you already know that Prompt Builder in Agentforce provides you with different prompts so that you can control the AI within Salesforce. Now let's talk about the Flex template. This is a special type of template in Prompt Builder that gives you complete control over the input and output of your AI prompt. Unlike standard templates like record summary or field generation, which are more structured, Flex templates let you build from scratch. Think of it as a blank canvas where you define exactly what data goes in, how it's formatted, and what kind of output you want from the AI. This means you can tailor your prompts to fit very specific business use cases, whether it's generating custom messages, analyzing records, or even building decision summaries. This is especially useful if you're working with teams that need tailored summaries, highly specific outputs, or even multilingual responses. Alright, now let's jump into a quick demo to see how you can create and test one inside Prompt Builder. We will take the use case of our automobile company like we did previously. We will use the Flex template to come up with dynamic responses for our customers who wish to take a test drive, the do's and don'ts of the test drive, and the specifications of the vehicles. So let's get started. So now we'll create another type of prompt, which is Flex prompt. First go to setup, write down prompt, and I will hit Prompt Builder, and after opening Prompt Builder, we'll just select Flex as prompt template type, and we'll write down the name as my first Flex template for the prompt template name. And then in the sources we'll define test drive as the object name, and we'll hit next. Now in the prompt template workspace, we'll write down the prompt as based on the vehicle model and vehicle brand and the fuel type. Here are the list of precautions that you need to take care of, and here are the key features of the vehicle that should be highlighted during the test drive. Now after saving the template successfully, we'll go and create a flow after activating it, and preview of this particular prompt is going to look like precautions during test drive of Audi Q3 Premium Plus. Do not exceed the speed limit, avoid abrupt maneuvers that may compromise safety and stuff like that. Now we'll go to setup, write down flow, hit flow, create a new one from scratch. It'll be a screen flow. We'll first add get records. So we'll get the record ID of the test drive. We'll add the condition ID equals record ID, and then we'll add an action. And in the action type, we'll just write down my first Flex template, and we'll label it over here as my first Flex template only. And then in the test drive, we'll select get record ID. Then we'll add an element of screen, the label test drive guidelines. We'll display the text, which will come as an output from the prompt that we have created as my first Flex template. And now we'll just save the flow by the name test drive guidelines. Now we'll go on the test drive record. We'll edit the page layout, and we'll add the screen flow that we just created onto the detail page of the same. And we'll have to check pass record ID into this variable, and then just save it. Now when you load the record, all the guidelines related to the test drive will be available over here. See, precautions and the key features to highlight during the test drive. This is happening for Audi Q3, which is different. And now if we'll look into all the records and we'll choose any other record like this Hyundai Verna, the guidelines are going to be relatively different. There you go. So this is how you can create a Flex prompt template and call it from a flow and add it into a screen flow, like on a detail page of a record as a screen flow. That's it for today's video. If you want to learn Agentforce and get hands-on, check out our upcoming Agentforce training by S2 Labs. I will leave the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit a like button and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.